It was an important 3 points for us. It was important that Chris Venables got his goal. Rhys Griffiths did very well. Nettles, great goal first half, but then we sort of took our foot off the gas and we came out better second half, and we won the game in the second half.
We had a great start with a great goal from Craig Williams, who was fantastic all evening. How great is it to have that option down the wide?
Yeah, we know of Craig Williams' qualities. His left peg is to die for, and he's got that quality. He's got that vision. He can put it on a plate for someone, or he can score goals like that. We need more of it. Every game we would want one of them. But not just Craig this evening. It was hard work. They worked hard, so we had to work hard. Ross in midfield, Griff up top, Stewart Serves at the back. They caused us problems at times, but we defended well, and it was pleasing that we keep a clean sheet second half, and we scored the two important goals.
Temporarily, that takes us up to 7th place. How much of an advantage is that playing ahead of your rivals?
In a way, it's a big advantage because we obviously play before them, puts the pressure back on them. But if we'd lost tonight, it'd be totally different. They would know the result. So it's important that we keep the run going. We're on a good run at the moment. Boys are playing well. Boys are eager, turning up on a Tuesday and a weekend. They want to win. A lot of credit goes to all the players, a lot of credit. They're working hard, they're doing that bit extra, and it shows, and it does show. People want to play here, people want to get in the starting 11, and there is competition for places, which is important at this club. Obviously we're fighting for 7th spot, and it's a big game tomorrow with Bangor and Carmarthen. And
speaking of Bangor and Carmarthen, we've got those two in our final games. How important are those two last games in producing performances and results in those?
Yeah, they're very important. Each of them now, massive games. But we'll look at the next one. We will look at the next one, which is Carmarthen away. We know it'll be tight. We know it'll be close. We'll see who turns up on the day, and we'll see if we can get a result.
Wyn, diolch yn fawr yn amser.